It presents the 7 best Android car stereos. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. The Hispo Double DIN uses a Rockchip 3188 Cortex-A9 processor and 2 GB of RAM for lag-free operation. It offers you 8 live and 21 traditional wallpapers to choose from, so you can customize the look to suit your taste. Unfortunately, the screen resolution isn't HD. It comes with RCA ports for an amp connection and its Bluetooth pairs quickly, but installation is complicated. At number 6, the Corhan CD2D ZZH ANO2 supports both online and offline navigation and even supports Apple AirPlay. So if you have a passenger with an iPhone, they can still connect to your head unit. It features 1 GB of RAM and has 3 USB ports. It delivers 45 watts per channel and includes an external microphone. However, the video out only works with DVDs. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Pile PLDN-AND623 comes with a waterproof backup camera and has a 6-inch touchscreen display for clear and convenient operation. Its quad-core processor can quickly launch and switch between apps, and it supports a number of different video and audio file types. It offers an adjustable startup volume and a selectable startup logo, but it doesn't pick up a lot of FM stations. 4. The premium built-in microphone on the Atoto A6 series allows for effective interfacing with Google Voice, resulting in less manual navigation. It also supports additional storage up to 256 GB from a microSD card and USB drives, plus backup camera input. It features a 9-band equalizer and a quick charge jack for cell phones. It also supports phone mirroring. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. In addition to providing you with a high-quality interface for your entertainment and navigation, the Lanzar Premium 7-inch R696 comes with an easy-to-install backup camera that will increase your safety and make parallel parking a breeze. It's equipped with 16 GB of built-in storage, integrated maps, and a 1080p video resolution. At number 2, the Panlelo PA012S features a 7-inch 1024x600 screen that's great for gaming and watching movies, making it ideal for keeping kids and passengers entertained on lengthy road trips. Its touchscreen is extremely responsive as you navigate through the interface. It's compatible with steering wheel controls and runs Android Marshmallow. It includes a sensitive microphone. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Pumpkin CN01 runs the fast and intuitive 7.1 Nougat operating system, which the unit boots up in as little as 2 seconds, allowing you to get set up for your journey, including map preparations and music selection, in less time. You can change the color of the buttons, display OBD2 data, and connect to sub.